Hello and welcome to Cow Corner Chronicles with Chandresh. This is Chandresh Narayanan, and we are here to analyze and discuss the strengths and weaknesses of the IPL squads that are going to take field in this year's IPL in UAE. One of the big contenders for this year's IPL title is Sunrisers Hyderabad, or the Orange Army as they would like to call themselves. Now, this year, the Orange Army has assembled an interesting squad, in my view, to claim the title for the tournament that's now being played in UAE. And for that, they made two very big changes in their lineup. The biggest of them is the change in captaincy. It has now gone back to David Warner. Remember, David Warner used to be the Sunrisers captain till he was removed from that role for his role in the entire ball tampering scandal by Cricket Australia, and then following which he was banned by Sunrisers Hyderabad and the IPL for a year. Kane Williamson, who did a fair job as captain for 2 seasons, is now one of the boys, but he'll play a very important role on the low, slow pitches of United Arab Emirates with his skillful batting. He is a class player who will fit into the role that the team offers him. Plus, the other big change is the change in the role of head coach. Trevor Bayliss, England's World Cup winning coach, is now the head coach of Sunrisers Hyderabad. He was one of the most sought after coaches in the IPL when he was the coach of KKR. He then moved to England, became their head coach, helped win the 2019 World Cup for England, changed the way England played white ball cricket, and now he's back in the IPL circuit. I'm sure that Trevor Bayliss has already got a lot of plans up his sleeve, and along with mentor VVS Lakshman, great from India, he would have planned a lot of things for Sunrisers Hyderabad. They've got some other interesting players in their mix, including Bhuvneshwar Kumar, who's a very important white ball bowler for India. And they also have Shahbaz Nadeem, who's a very effective left-arm spinner, who's been a veteran in the domestic circuit and has also played Test match cricket for India. Then there's Manish Pandey, who's already coming back into the fray as far as white ball cricket for India is concerned. And the left-armer, Khalil Ahmed, is one of the bowlers to look forward to. Wriddhiman Saha, with his experience behind the wickets, may not be that big a choice for Sunrisers Hyderabad, considering they have Johnny Bairstow. But we still don't know if Johnny Bairstow is available or if David Warner is available from the first match. If they are not available, then all these other reserve players come into the mix. But if they're available, Johnny Bairstow and David Warner slot right up there at the opening slot with their explosive approach. Then I'm looking forward to seeing Abhishek Sharma. He's a pocket dynamo in my view. He's a slim looking chap but can pack a punch. And there are some other young players like Priyam Garg, Basil Tampi, Virat Singh, plus then the left armer from Tamil Nadu who did quite well in TNPL, T. Natarajan, who's also somebody that everybody's looking forward to. Then there are other players. Obviously, the biggest of them all is Rashid Khan, probably the best T20 spinner right now in the world. And Mohammad Nabi, together Rashid Khan and Mohammad Nabi provide the much needed depth in the spin bowling for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Plus the fact that they are Afghans gives a different dimension to the league. You've got the tall Billy Stanlake, who's rapid, plus the effervescent Mitchell Marsh, who can provide all-round approach to the middle overs and with the ball and with the bat. Overall, Sunrisers Hyderabad have got a very good package. I definitely see them as one of the contenders for the playoffs. Title may be a bit too far for them at this stage, but I'm happy to be proved wrong.
Now let's take a look at their full squad for IPL season 2020.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe the channel. And you can also donate and support the channel via the links mentioned below this video.